Now we're gonna cut and eat the Kiwano. Another name is Horned Mellon for it, and then the passion fruit. So I'm gonna cut the Kiwano, and before I do that, it has some really cool spikes, and its pattern is like so cool because it's like yellow, and then like around it there's kind of like this circle, but that it doesn't even close. See? Okay. I don't know if I should put it in the middle. You know, like this. This.
Oh, this is so juicy.
This thing is leaking already.
This thing is so juicy. I can't won't be able to eat this. This thing is so juicy.
Oh my gosh, it's green in the inside.
Oh my gosh.
This thing looks like Jello.
Yeah, it looks like the Jello someone made.
What Jello?
Jello.
And I can't open this.
And this thing is so yucky. This thing is gonna be gross. Yeah, this thing is so yucky.
We don't even know yet. Read.
Yeah.
Oh my. I don't want to try this.
Me too.
After I try a little. It tastes like kiwi.
Yeah. We like kiwi, right? We like kiwi.
I think this, do you see they're edible?
This is having.
No, passion fruit. And this is the passion fruit. It has like a smooth and purplish, grayish kind of.
The word
Oh my gosh. This thing is not even opening.
Oh my goodness, this thing is so juicy too. Oh my goodness. I think no.
Okay, this one looks more gross. This thing looks so creepy.
No, can I try it?
Look, I didn't even try it.
Can I try it?
Ooh. This passion fruit, it tastes like lemon and orange, and of course grape together. Well, to me,
No. It tastes like rose.
like rotten socks.
I don't even want to eat rotten socks at all. Rotten socks
The Kiwano, I don't know.
If you ever eat rotten,
I don't think I could explain how the Kiwano tastes.
if you ever ate,
Because I don't even know.
if you ever ate rotten socks, that will be not healthy at all. It will not be healthy at all.
Because you're eating socks that are rotten.
Yeah,
And anyway, we're not even eating rotten socks.
yeah. We're eating something else
Mm-hmm.
that you could
We're eating a Kiwano or a Horned Mellon.
So we're gonna.
Well, it's the same thing, but a different name. I don't really like the passion fruit. Yeah, I'm not going to eat any of that.
You're not allowed to eat these.
What?
These things.
What things?
These things.
You can.
Oh, but I told you.
You don't have to, but they're yummy. Well, actually, they taste like nothing. They don't even taste.
These
So
look
the
like
seeds.
these look like jellos. The seed.
Pardon me. It comes out with a seed, and most of them come with like a seed inside of them. And I noticed that the gel is actually hard. Not really hard, but kind of like harder than I thought. I thought it would be like so soft.
It starts to run away.
Like you can't even grip it with your fingers.
I could.
No, with your fingers, not. And also, you can't grip it. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
See you.
I was just doing nothing. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.